we have two markets right now. One's an insane bull market that nobody's talking about, and one's a terrifying grizzly that everybody's talking about. When inflation was soaring and the Fed had yet to take action, the consumer packaged goods stocks were getting hammered and tech was running. Now the Fed's trying to kill inflation, so the consumer packaged goods plays and the drug stocks are on fire. So will many companies that have to buy things that just kept going up and up in price. You know what? I think the banks may be next to run, given how low they are. But tech's in the doghouse. Bulls, travel, leisure, oil, consumer packaged goods, pipelines, insurers, agriculture, non-industrial aerospace, bears, tech and banks. But can the latter stay this cheap? Listen to tomorrow's club meeting to find out. One last thought. Many investors don't remember the fabled crash of '87, known as Black Monday or Terrible Tuesday, where the Dow fell from 2,300 to 1,400 in 2 days. Maybe you weren't even born yet. But here's something to keep in mind. If you had bought equal amounts of the top 10 most active stocks the Friday before that crash, arguably the dumbest day in history to buy stocks, you would have been up a year later. What's the ultimate takeaway? If people come on TV and tell you to sell everything or that it's the biggest bear market ever, you better be real careful. The apocalypse is not coming. Even if they scare you out of your wits 9 times out of 10, you should strap yourself to the mast, stay the course, and don't think that hell is here. Let me put it another way. I have a friend who sold everything last week because of fears of a nuclear war. I didn't try to talk him out of it. I have no idea what Putin will do. None. But I did trade through the period around Chernobyl, close call to a nuclear event, as well as Fukushima, another disaster. That was a buying opportunity. So many sold all their stocks on the news of both of those events. If you look back, though, you won't even recognize why you sold them because you can't see them on the chart. The bottom line, no matter how scared you get, most people aren't nimble enough to get out of this market and then get back in again at a good price. That's why it's a mistake to sell everything, even as the market's gotten more difficult for some once favored stocks, even as I could argue that a whole new bull market has come alive with pleasure.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.